Welcome to Ploop Channel.
Hi, Polly, Dumpu. You are on the other side of the river from me.
Hi, Amber.
Tomorrow is my birthday, so I invite you to my party.
But Polly, how can we cross over to Amber's party? The river bridge is broken.
Okay, then let's repair the bridge. Hi, Amber. What are you doing?
They are going to repair the old river bridge.
What a super idea. Let's go and help them. Hello, my friends. I can help you too. That's great, Ellie. Thanks a lot. Bruno, you are doing a great job here.
Thanks, Polly. The bridge will be ready soon.
Super job, Spooky. Great work, friends. We repaired the old bridge.
Now we can go to Amber's birthday party.
Happy birthday, Amber.
Thank you, everyone.